Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about a small but significant change that Google has made to location targeting, and that is that they have removed the ability to set radius targeting in campaign settings. However, the good news is you still can implement that. You just have to go elsewhere to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the workaround. But first, I'll just show you the change. So if you go select a campaign, if I go to campaign settings, you'll see that this campaign is targeting the province of Ontario, Canada. And if I would like to add, say, radius targeting around Edmonton, Alberta, I can only include Edmonton. There is no way to add a radius. And if I go to locations in bulk, again, I can only add um, locations by name, postal code to countries. I don't believe there's any way to add radius targeting in bulk. I could be wrong, but it certainly would be kind of tedious to type all that in anyway. So I'm just going to cancel out of here. I won't make that change, and I'm going to exit here. And so how do we actually implement radius targeting? Well, if you have your campaign selected, you just go to the Locations tab, and you'll see here that Ontario, Canada is the target. And if I edit, I can then select radius, and I could put in Edmonton, Alberta. In this case, I've got it set to 20 miles. I would probably do kilometers in Canada, but that's neither here nor there. And then when you're done making your edits, you would just click save, and that would get updated in the campaign settings. So I have no idea why Google has made this more cumbersome than it needs to be. Location targeting absolutely should be fully configurable in campaign settings. It is what it is. At least we can still do it. So hopefully, if you've been struggling with this particular issue, this resolves it for you. That is it for today. I will see you next time.